Well, I hope you enjoyed that music. Now, it's time for a couple of Halloween jokes. All right. Well, as soon as we're done those, we'll get back to the music. And speaking of music, you know what type of monster really loves to dance? The boogeyman. Okay. Hopefully they get better. I got a granddaughter who's a mummy. I can't stand going anywhere with her, though, because she always plays her radio really loud. And she plays that rap music. Get it? Rap? Mummy? These are pretty awful, aren't they? Well, hopefully they get better. I had a girlfriend that was a ghost once. I used to like to take her out a lot, but she would get so frustrated. She'd ask the bartender for a drink, and he would say, "Sorry, honey, we don't serve spirits here." Ghost, spirit. Eventually, we parted ways. She went into the glamorous world of modeling. That's right, she became a cover ghoul. Okay, how about these? I used to date a ghost once, but she was too much into the booze. I lost her one night in a fog, and now she's missed. I dated a mummy once, but it didn't last. They're so wrapped up in themselves. She had no neck, so we called her the Lost Neck Monster. She was kind of tense, though. She never took a vacation. She was afraid she would relax and unwind. Well, at least mummies throw a good surprise party, because they are great at keeping things under wraps. But monster parties aren't that great. There's never enough food because everyone's a goblin. I even had a vampire girlfriend once. She was a real pain in the neck. She kept trying to give me a blood test to see if I was her type. She didn't have a car either. Her favorite way to get around was a blood vessel. It was a graveyard romance, boy meets ghoul. I guess demons really are a girl's best friend. Our relationship was doomed from the start, though. She had a dog, a bloodhound, and I'm not fond of dogs. They leave me without a leg to stand on. Ah, well, I guess we loved in vain. Get it? Vampire, vain. I buy a lot of them lottery tickets because I hear no body ever wins. My insurance agent is a ghost. He sells homeowners insurance. Kind of a fly-by-night operation. Do you think it's going to rain? I can feel it in my bones. What about snow? Do you think it's going to snow? I hope not. I hate the cold. It goes right through me. Makes me a numbskull. Well, I used to be addicted to jack-o'-lanterns, but then I got the pumpkin patch. I got a witch friend that lives at the beach. We call her the Sand Witch. My witch friend wasn't very good with her broom. She was always flying off the handle. And in fact, I went to witch school once. I got kicked out, though, because I wasn't very good at spelling. Speaking of school, I knew a cannibal in college. He was expelled for buttering up his teacher. He wasn't even a very good student. He spent most of his time watching TV because he loved those celebrity roasts. He always ran to the cafeteria when he heard children were half